Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Arif Ali and today we will learn about loops. So first we will discuss that what is loop. Loop meaning is that repetition. One task repetition again and again or any function repetition again and again is called a loop. There are three main type of loops, main types. Otherwise, there are many loops. Main types are three: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. These are three. In this video, we will discuss about for loop, and it is the most important loop in programming languages and the best loop. So we will focus on this loop more from other loops. So first of all, I will create here a code. I will write here for. As you can see here is for each, for in, for of. These are also loops, but we will have to focus on this loop. So I will write here for, then we have to write parenthesis, then we have to use let, not const or var, we have to use let to create variable. Then you can name your variable anything, like I will write here num, meaning numbers in the short form is equal to, number is equal to 1, I will write, and terminator, then number is equal to smaller than and equal to 10. Then I will terminate it and I will write here num plus plus. Its meaning is that I have given initial value. First here is called initial and this is called final value. In this initial value would be 1, and num plus plus meaning is that one number would be added or one value would be added in this initial value. So like this is a loop meaning repetition, and here I have given final value that it should print till 10. So this loop will run 10 times until it will not until it will stop executing. When this loop will break, then when this loop will break, then we will get the output. First this loop will run 10 times and then print our values. I guess the system is of loop. Then write here curly braces, then console it, like console dot log parenthesis. My variable name was num, so I will write here num and this terminator. Terminator is not important after console dot log. So we can do now. I will uncomment this one area because then it will disturb in our execute programming. So now I will run it. So here is an error that unexpected end of input. It is on 77 and 18 column. So we will look here. I think so. I forgot to comment it here. Anything 77. Everything is okay. So we will try to run it again. Yeah. As you can see, value of I is equal to 1, value of I is equal to 2, value of I is equal to 3, and as you can see this is printing here. Till from 1 to 10 is printing. This is the function of loops. This is the function of loops. Here are some other examples like this one. For let index is equal to 0 and is tell, meaning it will print till 10 from 0 to 10. And then we have put this variable in the element and then we have printed the element. So it will work, absolutely it will work. As you can see here, it's working. And I will go to terminal. These are the output of previous. I was showing that how the for loop works. Now here I will write node script.js. Now it's terminal and as you can see it is printed here. So this is the function of loops. So I will comment it now. And here is one other example of nested loops. As you can see, if I will print it, I'll go to terminal. Here is no problem, so I will go to terminal here. And first I will delete this terminal and I will open other terminal again. It's a good because it will stay refreshed. So I will write node script.js. Just like this, as you can see, then it is printed here. So like this we can use nested loop. First I'll tell you how nested loop is working. Here is for let I is equal to 1 and I is smaller than and equal to 10 and I plus plus. This is very simple. It is like other examples in which we now learned here. It is same like them, but here difference is of this. In this is a string interpolation method. Here I values will print. This one I value will print here. So this is not because we have learnt in this previous video, so it's not important to revise it again. So here's other loop inside this loop. It's called nested loop. Like here is let j is equal to 1 and j is more than or equal to 10 and then j plus plus. It is the same like this, just values are changed. But here in console some differences. Like console.log I plus this sign, it is in strings, so just multiplication sign will print, and then plus j value I plus j plus I plus multiply sign plus j plus equal to sign plus I multiply by j, meaning I value will print here, multiplication sign will print in the between of I and j value, then equal to sign will print, and then I and j will multiply together, meaning I and j values will multiply together and print here. Like it's a table form. So this we have given here final value 10, so this loop will run 10 times. First the value of I will be written, then j, and then it will come to this console and it will print. Then 10 times it will happen like this, and then our this loop will work. So now I will comment it now. So thank you guys in this video only this much. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.